Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC People and Outdoors. I'll be spending the next couple of days with my friend Mark camping here at Lake Alma State Park in Wellington, Ohio. I'll be shooting you some videos about our camp cooking, doing some fishing, and doing a couple of gear reviews. And then Friday, both Mark and I are headed over to Self-Reliance Outfitters, and we'll be attending the Intro to Survival course with Dave Canterbury's school there, the Pathfinder school. So got a full week ahead here. We're staying Tuesday, come home Sunday after class, so gonna have a number of videos for you. So stick around and watch my Lake Alma series of a bunch of videos I got coming out. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. So we just left the lake, which is off to the right, and we came back to our cabin. So there's my truck, and there's the cabin that we're staying at. That's called the camper's cabin, and I'll make sure you show an inside view of that with the cabins and stuff. And then just down here, there's like 2 campsites in between here, and then this is the bathhouse and shower house. There's some gray water there, and Mark's doing some dishes right now, coming to cook. But yeah, this is kind of the bathrooms here and the shower, so let's just kind of go in and kind of show you what they look like. But I can tell you, they are very, very clean. Let's see if this one's open. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of show you what the bathroom. So yeah, so just looking very, very clean. You know, there's the toilet. It's a good thing. It's got a sink. It's got a mirror. It's got your towel hangers over over here. It's got a bench, and then also has a shower area right here. It does have hot water. I did take a hot shower this morning, so yeah, it's a pretty clean for a campground. I think they really take good care of things. So yeah, just kind of wanted to give you a shot of the actual bathrooms here at the bathhouse at Lake Alma. So all right, make sure I just want to show you that, and we'll make sure you see the cabin too.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box.
All right, everybody. So Mark and I, when we came to Lake Alma State Park, we rented camper cabin number 29. So this is the camper cabin that's in the campgrounds here. There's a lot of RV and tent sites here. But we wanted to try the camper cabin, so this was available, so we rented it. So basically the cabin, as you see it here, has 2 bunk beds on this side, 2 bunk beds over there. It came with 4 folding chairs. That table, that blue cooler you see underneath the table was in here when we got here. It has 4 electrical outlets. That's Mark's electric cooler for our food. It came with the fan. The fan is not ours. That was here. It has hangers for your towels, smoke alarm. It has a garbage can, dustpan, and broom. So just kind of thing. And then obviously there's the door that locks. There's the 2 windows that open. But yeah, this is pretty nice. It's got a nice lights interior, and I said there's the other window. So not a bad cabin here. I couldn't find anything online that actually showed what was in the cabin or find any descriptions about it online. So I figured I would do just a quick review. So yeah, not too bad of a setup here in the camper cabin number 29 at Lake Alma State Park here in Wellington, Ohio. So if you ever head out this way, this is not too bad. Especially, I can imagine the summer's probably gets pretty hot, but right now it's early October. It's not too bad with the windows open and the fan on. So all right, I just wanted to give you a quick view of that, and we'll have other videos for you shortly.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.